Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today in this video we'll be talking about how to make money online if you are a wholesaler or if you are an online store owner or if you have an offline store. So this is the website guys. It's called Udan. So here you can find lot of wholesalers here where you can get best prices for the products that you are going to sell from starting from wide range of product ranges like clothing, medicines, electronic appliances, luggages, home appliances, footwears, everything, guys. Like whatever you can imagine of. Like if you have a store already, say you already have an offline store or you have an online store that you and you want like a wholesale amount priced products that you want. Say if you have a reselling business online or offline and you want best price for that, so this will be the best option, guys. You can get n number of options, like n number of wholesalers online. You can just It's just so easy. The process is easy. You can just book them like how you're going to order in Amazon, and only the product quantity is going to change. So you are going to order it for say 100 pieces or 200 pieces, and you will be getting it door delivered. So the process is very easy, guys. And say you have two main opportunities to make money here online. So one is if you are a wholesaler, you can just sell your products online here in this platform by just listing out your products and the wholesale rate that you're willing to put out on, and you just have very few simple, and it's just going to take you few seconds to register yourself here. And if you're then other way is like if you have a retail store online or offline, you just want to source materials products for your store. It is very easy, guys. You have to just register this. The process is just same. Like if you're going to sell it or if you're going to buy it, it is going to be the same. You're just going to register yourself with the documents. Say in India we just need few documents that we will be discussing later on in this video. But before that, I just have to mention that this price whatever you are seeing, it will be only visible in the wholesale price if you are registered under the shop name. So if you have registered account in your shop name, then only you will be able to see the wholesale amount. Else it will be shown in different price for normal customers. So if you're going to go in and just look through it, you won't be able to see the wholesale price. You just have to use all your details, accounts and everything in order to sign up, and then you will be able to see the wholesale amount, guys. So we'll be seeing all that, but before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now back to this video. The signing up process is very simple and it's just going to take you seconds for completing the KYC. Number one thing is like you need a mobile number. You have to register yourself. After which you will be asked to submit your GST, PAN card details, and your shop registration certificates. So after giving it, like you have to scan it and upload it, which is just easy. I just don't want to show that because it contains a lot of personal details and I won't be able to record it. So I'm just letting you guys know what all documents you'll be needing it. So once you have everything scanned and ready, you just have to upload it and you will be able to just get off with your store. Now here you have another facility which is like credit facility, which they are giving it for ease of customers. So if you don't have amount currently and you can just get it as a loan, guys, you can pay it later. So that is a great option. Another one is like they have integrated logistic management, so you don't have to worry about how to ship your wholesale products if someone is ordering it. You just have to click on the integrated button where the shipment will be taken off from your wholesale warehouse or wherever you have it, and then deliver it to the customer uh, like without any issues on it. So it's a hassle free process, so you guys can do it. Like if you are really into this business, you can use this as an option to source your product or sell your products online here. So that's all about the video, guys. It's really easy. If you guys are into this, you can just check out this website. I'll leave the link of this site in the description box below as usual. So yeah, guys, that's all about the video. Now if you have anything else, you can leave it in the comments below. If you have any suggestions or if you want any other video recommendations, you can leave that in the comments as well. So I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye and thank you.